our waffle maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 10 inches, a depth of 17¼ inches, and the overall height, we have 10½ inches tall. Measurements for the waffle maker itself, we have 7½ inches in radius. A rotating feature, so after when you pour in your batter to cook the waffle, rotate towards the other side, and it will be set in place. Please note that during the cooking process, it's currently locked and cannot be rotated. So after the waffle is finished cooking, rotate back, open, and serve. And the bottom here included will be a drip and axis pan. Coming to the bottom, we have our on-off switch, along with a digital indicator for displaying the minutes and seconds and a timer of the waffle maker. Coming to the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug, along with the ETL certification and the technical specifications for this waffle maker. For all questions and concerns, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.